We're gonna go check out Jacob's Well. It is closed due to the drought and not sure what the water level is gonna look like, so can't swim in it, but we can go take a look. We've never been here, so we're in the area, why not check it out? Make a video of our place.
Jacob's Well has multiple chambers, the first of which is 25 feet deep. The second is 35 feet. The third is 75 feet deep. And the fourth, no one really knows how deep it is. Because the passageway is so narrow, divers usually have to remove their air tanks temporarily. As a result, some don't make it back. At least 9 people have died diving into Jacob's Well, which is quite a lot, and has some saying it's one of the most dangerous diving spots in the world. When settlers first came upon Jacob's Well near Wimberley around 1850, they did not encounter a swimming hole. They discovered a magical fountain of beautifully clear water, 12 feet in diameter, sometimes spouting 4 or 5 feet above the surface.
Oh, wouldn't it be cool if we saw a painted bunting? I don't know that I've ever seen that bird before, have you? That's pretty. Let's see how this compares to Hamilton Pool. We did go swimming in Hamilton Pool. Well, I used swimming loosely because the water was freezing and I let it go to my knees and that's it. He got in the water to his shoulders. These are pretty. They only had a small portion where you could swim though. They had rocks fall not that long ago, so lots of it is closed off.
Jacob's Well is an artesian spring that releases thousands of gallons of water a day. It's the second largest fully submerged cave in Texas. The source of the water comes from the Trinity Aquifer, which makes its way from an extensive underground cave system.
I think we should keep going down and see a well sign across the way. That must be like another...
Does it say like upper, lower?
I don't know. Says you are here. And I guess the well. I guess you can go... Okay. Oh, that must be for like someone on a different trail. Careful, careful.
I think they all go through the creek.
Swimming at Jacob's Well is only allowed from May 1st through September 30th and is by reservation only. Jacob's Well Natural Area is open daily except certain holidays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. all year round.
Clear and gross. Huh? Yeah. Right. Huh. Just squeeze in here. Ah! I think I can fit.
It's really slick back here.
Okay.
Like, really slick.
Yeah, it is. Holy moly.
Like, it's sketchy.
That's alright. I'm just gonna get on my butt. Ain't no shame in my game. I did it. I mean, cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, like all the videos have it actually, huh?
Alright.
Oh yeah, you can see the line right there.
Oh, I just now see the fish. This is how low the water is.
Ah, sí, cierto.
Being Texans, we have both heard about Jacob's Well, so it was surreal to be there, but it was a lot smaller than we expected. Seeing the little fishies swim around was a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this, then check out Hamilton Pool because it's not far from Jacob's Well. And subscribe to our channel because really, why not?